Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Zoom events. Watch the video till the end. To create your Zoom events account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Zoom events sign up and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. It will take you to the sign up page of Zoom events. Enter your birth year and tap on continue. Enter your email address and tap on continue once again. By proceeding, you will be agreeing to the Zoom's privacy statement and terms of service. A verification code will be sent to your email address. Check your email for a code and enter it, then tap on verify. To create your account, enter your first and last name with your password for your Zoom Events account. Confirm your password by re-entering it and then click on continue. Tap on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can sign up for your Zoom events quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.